Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring alphabets. Kids class name. Blue color, red color, white color, brown color, yellow color, green color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And here's blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. And here's red color. The alphabets of C. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. And use white color. The alphabets of E. Kids, again use white color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for God. And use brown color. The brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw H. H for hand. Kids, now draw I. I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw J. J for jackfruit. Kids, now draw K. K for king. The alphabets of K. And here's green color. Kids, again use green color and draw L. L for lion. Kids, now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw N. N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O. O for orange. The alphabets of O. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw P. P for parrot. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen. And use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw R. R for rose. Kids, now draw S. S for sun. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw V. V for vanilla. Kids neither W. W for wolf. And again use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. It's neither Y. Y for yolk. And use red color. The alphabets of Y. Kids lastly draw Z. Z for zebra. And again use red color. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yolk, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.